Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Park the car on a flat surface, set the parking brake, and switch both vehicles off. Remove metal jewelry and wear gloves and eye protection. Locate the 12V auxiliary battery under the rear left cargo floor. The high-voltage traction pack is separate and must not be touched. Keep metal away from terminals and do not smoke or create sparks. Avoid the HV orange wiring and cover the hybrid HV warning labels. Use a rated booster pack or jumper cables for 12V systems only. Select a 12V booster pack rated around 400A or heavy-duty jumper cables with at least an 8mm2 cross-section to handle cranking current. Attach the red clamp to the positive, plus, terminal of the Pacifica's 12V battery, and then to the donor positive. Attach the black clamp to the donor negative, then connect the black clamp to a clean, unpainted chassis ground on the Pacifica at least 30 cm from the battery and fuel lines. Keep cables clear of fans and belts and position the booster 0.5 to 1 meter away from the battery. Once clamps are secure, wait up to 60 seconds to allow charge transfer. Start the donor vehicle and let it idle for 2 to 5 minutes to build voltage. Attempt to start the Pacifica Hybrid by putting it in ready. If it does not start within 30 seconds, wait another minute and try again. After the Pacifica starts, let it run in ready for at least 10 minutes to recharge the 12V battery, then remove cables in reverse order. Negative from chassis, negative from donor, positive from donor, and finally positive from the Pacifica, keeping clamps separated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.